tools that I'm going to use, basically a hammer, something to cut the wire. I need some metal wire, some tape to go over the ends of the wire, basically some fasteners, some hooks to put it in the wall, make sure it's level with the level, and a tape measure basically just to measure where it needs to go. So first I'm going to put this on the hangers. If I had something centered here, I could hang it there, but that's not the case. So I'm going to take this, I'm just going to wrap it around a couple of times. Probably way more than I ever need. I'm going to give it a little bit of slack so I can tie it up. If you use scissors, you might ruin them, so that's why I'm using these. Again, this is probably overkill. Should be good enough to not need tape. I just like putting tape over ends so I don't get stabbed. So my wife wants us 72 inches from the ground, so I'm going to measure up where this lays. So we got about 40 inches, so I have to come up. So we want the mirror to be 72 inches up. Mirror is 55 inches high. The wire is 40 inches up off the bottom of the mirror. So we do some quick math, subtract this away, add the 40 plus the distance to the bottom, gets 57 inches. We're going to go 39.5 inches all the way to the other side of the mirror. Mirror is 31 inches across. Take half, basically 15.5 inches. So subtract that from there. And then that ends up with, we need 23 inches away from the wall. So we went 57. And we went 23. All right, something's right here. Note that this is where I want it to be hanging, so I have to put this here, so I have to nail a little bit higher than that. Okay, now all we have to do is hang this wire up on here. Just going to put the wire up on that. Okay, so once you get it hung, come up here, just take a level and make sure that the bubble is between the two lines. If it is, it's level and you're good. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.